friends, welcome back to my channel Classes for You. Today video is about how to find or how you can find speed, time and distance. So in this video I will tell how you can find in different way. This video is very useful for competitive exam also, so watch carefully. Okay. Video, that is to find speed, time and distance. So here I took example, a boy walks at a speed of 4 km per hour. Okay, so how much time does he take to walk a distance of 20 km? So friends, here first I will tell relation. Okay, speed, time and distance relation I will explain. As we all know that speed is equals to distance upon time. So friends, first of all you need to see what is given in the question. See friends, you have given speed is equals to 4 km per hour. Okay, that is your first. Then next step you have to see what you have to read what is next, that is you have given distance also 20 km, and what you have to find, you have to find time. I could ask question mark. Okay, so these you have to find what time. So speed is given 4 km per hour, distance is 20 km and time you have to find. So we will see speed is equals to distance upon time taken. So what is your distance friends? 20. Okay, and time is you have to find, and speed is given. So I will solve here. Speed is your 4 km per hour, distance is 20 and time you need to find as t. So t is equals to, what you have to do, you have to shift your t as here numerator, or when it will go to other side it become numerator. That you know relation very well in maths. Okay, as it is here divide form, so when it go to other side become multiplication. So here 20 upon 4 you will get. So t is equals to 20 upon 4. So how much you will get? T is equals to 5 hours. Okay friends, how much you will get? T is your 5 hour. How? 4 ones are 4 5s are. So you can say your T will become 5 hour. Friends, in this problem what I told you, that T you have to find. In similar way you can find distance also, speed also. Okay, so with this example only I will tell how you can find speed and distance also. So let's do that. So friends, as we took now time, so with this example, a boy walks at a speed is given. Okay, your speed is 4 km per hour. So I change question. Okay, content will be same only, but you have to take something different here. Speed is I take as 4 km per hour only, and time is your 5 hour. Okay, you have to find your distance you have to find. So friends, we all know the relation, that is speed is equals to distance upon time taken. We use the same relation here but in different way, that is what you have to find, you have to find your distance. So whenever you have to find your distance, so distance become this speed into time. These both get multiplied friends. Whenever you have to find distance, these both get multiplied. So your distance is equals to, speed is 4, okay, 4 km per hour, and your time is 5 hours. So that is become how much? 4 5s are 20 km. Okay, so friends, your distance is 20 km. See friends, with the same relation and I took same example, but I changed first, in first example what I did, you have to find time. Now here, what we find here? Distance. So in next I will tell you, you can find your speed also. But here distance I will take as 20 kilometer only, and you have to find your speed. Okay. So we will see this one also. The same example I am teaching today. So speed you have to find in this. Again we know the relation, speed is equals to distance upon time taken. This is the most important relation you have to find here. Okay. So remember this. If you will remember this only, then no need to remember other formulas. You can put your values and you can find out. What you have to find, okay, this time we will find not speed as friends. Here we will now find speed. First we in first example I told you how you can find time. Then next example as distance. Now in this I will tell how you can find speed. Okay. So speed you have to find. So we know the relation speed is equals to distance upon time taken. This is the most important relation you have to remember. So as it is very simple, as speed is equals to distance is 20 and time is your 5. So speed is equals to 4 kilometer per hour. So friends, in this way you can find your speed, time and distance. Okay. So remember the formula only, then it will be easy for you to solve. Okay, next example we will see. Okay, where I will tell how you can convert a kilometer per hour to meter per second. So if a car travels a distance of say 600 kilometer in 10 hours. Okay, in 10 hours, what is its speed in meter per second? So friends, here this is different, means here I have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. This is very easy also, again you can say. As what is given, see my distance is given 600 kilometer and time is given as 10 hours. Okay, you have to find speed that is in meter per second. Okay, so friends, here my unit as distance unit is kilometer and time unit is as hour. So we all know that 1 kilometer contains 1000 meter and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute again 60 seconds. So indirectly I can say 1 hour is equals to your 3600 second. So friends, for solving this problem meter per second, you need to know this conversion, that is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equals to 3600 second. This is your next step you have to remember. See friends, in this what you have to find, as we all know that speed is equals to distance upon time taken. Okay, your speed is distance upon time taken. So what you have to do, you have to, this distance you have to convert in your meter form. As what you have to find in meter per second you have to form. So you have to convert this kilometer into meter. So what I will do, speed is equals to 600 into 1000. Why I put here 1000? Because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000. So when kilometer to 1000 I have to do, I will do multiplication. Okay, then as speed is equals to distance upon time, so time is divide from, so as my time is given 10, okay, and time I have to convert into second form, so I will do multiplication here. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to do multiplication, cut these zeros, okay, this one also again it will cut. So what you left, here I will solve, okay, otherwise 600 upon 36. So your speed is equals to how much? You can divide here, maybe 16.66 meter per second. So friends, in this way you can solve your problems, okay, using the formula speed is equals to distance upon time taken, and here I told you about conversion also. In this way, if suppose meter per second is given, so you have to convert into kilometer per hour, again you have to reverse it only. You have to reverse it, that is 366 will be upon in numerator and this will be in denominator. So friends, watch this video carefully. So it will be very useful for competitive exams also. Thank you and subscribe it.